Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Let's gonna start today's English class. As you can see, today we are going to start a next chapter of Grammar Gate, that is conjunctions. Now we'll be taking chapter 10 after chapter 11. First, we'll be taking chapter 11, conjunctions. Okay, so now let us see what is conjunctions. This is a definition of conjunctions. A conjunction is a joining word. We use conjunctions to join two words, phrases, or clauses together to make one long sentence. So, yes, what is the meaning of conjunction? A conjunction is a joining word. It means there may be two words that you may join using a conjunction, two phrases or two sentences. Clauses over here just we mean two sentences which we will be joining by conjunction. So, this joining the words, joining the phrase, or joining sentences, we call them conjunctions. Now let us see what your textbook says. So open page number 88 of your textbook. Okay. Now see the definition over here. We already know that a conjunction is a word that is used to join words or sentences. So we know what is the meaning of conjunction. So this definition is clear that we studied right now, that they are going to join two words or two sentences. Yes. Now we shall read more about it and its types here. Now in fifth standard also you might have studied conjunctions, right? Now what you're going to study is types of conjunction in this chapter. Okay, now the conjunctions that you have studied separately, and, or, but, also you have studied all that separately, right? But here now you are going to study conjunctions as two types. Okay, so here correlative conjunctions you are going to study and compound conjunctions you are going to study. Okay, so what is the meaning of the first type, that is correlative? What is there over here? Correlative conjunctions. Do you see? Some conjunctions are used in pairs. They are known as correlative conjunctions. So keep this in mind. Underline this in your textbooks too. The conjunctions that are used in pairs over here mean you cannot use only one of it, you have to use both of it together in the sentence. You might have heard either or, neither nor. That's the most common correlative conjunctions that we use, right? You can you use neither alone? No. Can you use either alone? No, right? So over here there are pairs of conjunctions made. Okay, so those pairs are known as correlative conjunctions. Yes, they are known as correlative conjunctions. I hope the definition of conjunction is clear. Conjunction means joining the words, phrases, or sentences. What is correlative? Correlative are the pairs of conjunctions that we use. Now you will be studying the few pairs, that is six pairs of conjunctions, that is six pairs of correlative conjunctions. Clear? And then we will be doing the exercise. So first one over here is either or. Either or. The most common one, either or. Now see here it is explained through an example. What do you mean by either or? Few people even pronounce it as either, right? Either or, either or. He is either mad or foolish. Either take it or leave it. Leave it. Now see, what is the meaning of either or? He is either mad, one of the two, either or. talks about one of the two. See, the first sentence says either he is mad or he is foolish. दोनों में से एक तो वो है ही, right? Either take it or leave it. या तो इसको ले लो या तो इसको छोड़ दो. So it says one of two, right? One of two. Okay. Either come with us or stay at home. या तो हमारे साथ चलो या तो घर पे रहो. See, and options are given. दोनों में से एक. So one of two, right? You have to select one of two. So either this or this, right? So in easy simple words you can say this as one of two when you are saying to choose, or when they are choosing one of two, either or can be used in the sentence. And the first you have to use either and then or will come. Clear? Next is neither nor. Neither nor means none of it. What is the meaning of neither nor? It says none of it. Okay? दोनों में से एक भी नहीं. See the example. It is neither useful nor ornamental. Neither useful means ना तो उसको use कर सकते हैं और ना ही वो decorative. What is the meaning of ornamental? Ornamental means decorative. It also means decorative. Okay? So it's not even useful, it's not even decorative. Okay, so दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं. None of it. ना तो ये ना तो ये. So that is why we use neither nor. Okay, I hope neither nor is clear. See, either or, you're choosing one. Okay, you have to choose one. Neither nor, none of it is there. Clear? Both the options aren't done. Okay, now next, both and. What is the meaning of both and? We both love and honor him. Okay, so both and if I say I want both, I want both a book and a pen. So I want book also, I want pen also. Both the things you want, right? So that is why you use both and. If you're using both, you have to use and also. Clear? And you're going to use and between the two words that you are asking for. Clear? Or you are telling. Next, though, yet. Though he is suffering much pain, yet he does not complain. Though in fifth standard you have studied conjunction yet, and we know that when we used yet in the sentence, after the first half of the sentence you have to put a comma and then yet will come and then the remaining sentence, right? So first we give the reason, right? So though he is suffering much pain, though means भले उसको पेन है लेकिन वो कंप्लेन नहीं कर रहा है. Clear? Though yet, these two go together as correlative conjunction. Understood? Though he is not well, though he isn't well, comma, yet he came to school. Right? He is not well, still he came to school. Right? So though and yet, both of them are going to go together. See, yet and though come when both the ideas are opposite. Both the ideas are opposite, right? Okay, and both are happening. Clear? You're not choosing one of it, but both are happening, though the ideas are opposite. Next, whether or. I don't care whether you go or stay. Whether or. Now see the example. You have to do the work whether you like it or not. भले ही अच्छा ना लगे काम तो करना ही है. Okay, so whether or. You're not giving an option. It's a compulsion over here. It's a compulsion. I don't care whether you go or stay. जाओ रहो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay? Nothing is going to happen. Clear? Next, not only but also. Now, not only but also means you're including both. You're including both. How? Not only he is foolish but also obstinate. Not only he is foolish, वो दोनों है, foolish भी है और obstinate भी है. When you're including both, okay, that time you will use not only but also. Is it understood or not? Either or, neither nor, both, yet and, though yet, whether or, not only but also. सिर्फ यही नहीं, ये भी है, ऐसा. Okay, so including both, not only but also. This is the easy way of understanding and learning correlative conjunctions. So conjunctions which are used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions, okay, or merely correlatives. Now, when conjunctions are used as correlatives, each of the correlated words should be placed immediately before the word to be connected. Now, remember this thing, that when you are going to use correlative conjunctions, it has to be used before the word that is to be connected. ऐसा नहीं कि पहले ही उसको use कर लिया. You have to use before the words that is to be connected with the other one. See the example over here. He visited not only Agra but also Delhi. He not only visited Agra but also Delhi. Now see, not only is used before visited, but what are you connecting? You are connecting visited or you are connecting two places? You are connecting two places. So that is why this sentence is wrong. And which one is right? This is right. Why? Because not only but also came before the words that are to be connected. So remember, correlative conjunctions you are going to use before the words that you are going to, before the word or phrase that you are going to connect. Now we are going to start exercise. So complete the sentences with appropriate correlative conjunctions. So now you have to use correlative conjunctions in the exercise. See the first question. Would you like to buy pens or pencils? Now what is being done over here? You're given an option. You're given an option. Do you want pen or you want pencils? But what if you want both? Right, so I had like dash pens, dash pencils, please. It means you want pen also, you want pencils also. So when you want both, what are you going to use over here? Both. I would like both pens and pencils. Okay, and when you are including both, which is the other correlative conjunction that you can use over here? Can you use either or? No, you're not going to choose one, right? Neither nor, you cannot use neither nor because you want both. Both and, yes, you can use. Though and yet, that is not applicable over here. Why? Because it's not opposite ideas. Whether or, that is also not going to come over here. So the last one, not only but also. Yes, we can use not only but also, right? You can use over here not only but also. Why? Because that option also includes both the things. So how you can say, I had like not only pens but also pencils. Or you can write, I had like both pens and pencils, please. Is it understood? Next question. Dash Gotham and Dash Gotham, Dash Simi noticed the snake. Now, if you are saying both of them noticed the snake, so how you can write? Both Gotham and Simi noticed the snake. But what if both of them didn't see? So you can even use neither Gotham nor Simi noticed the snake. Is it understood? Or you can write not only Gotham but also Simi noticed the snake. Understood? So your wish, whichever is applicable to you, you can write. Okay. Next, answer one question. Now you are given an option. What you have to do? You have to give one answer. Now from where? Choosing dash from section A, dash from section B. There are two sections, section A and section B. Now you have to choose one, and when we know that when we are choosing one, we use either or. So answer one question choosing either फ्रॉम सेक्शन ए और सेक्शन बी, या तो सेक्शन ए या तो सेक्शन, दोनों में से एक सवाल चूज करो. इज इट अंडरस्टूड? Next, my sister is fond of all kinds of pets. Now, my sister is fond of all kinds of pets. My sister likes all the pets. She keeps dash a dog, dash a cat. It means she's having both the pets, right? If she likes all the pets, she's having both of them, right? So when we choose again both of them, what we can write? She keeps both, a dog and a cat. And what's the other one you can use? She keeps not only dog but also a cat. This is much applicable, right, in the case of pets. Next, fifth one. I hope till here I'm giving a reason also why we are using it, right? I dash have to do my maths homework, dash have to complete my science project. Now both of them has to be completed, right? Both of them you have to complete, right? Now you know one thing, that when we use not only but also, there is a comma that is supposed, that is used, right? There is a comma. So here we have a comma and we have to use both. So you can write, I not only have to do my maths homework but also have to complete my science project. Sixth one, there is dash rice, dash curry in the fridge. There is no need to cook anything. Now in the fridge, both of them are there. In the fridge, both of them are there, right? So there is no need to cook. So you can write, there is both rice and curry in the fridge. Now we know you can even use, there is not only rice but also curry in the fridge. Dash, he is unwell, dash, he came to school. He's unwell means he's not fine, but still he went to school, right? So when this opposite ideas happen, what do we use? Yes, very good. Though, yet. So though he is unwell, yet he came to school. Okay? Next, you will have to do it. Dash you like it, dash not. You will have to do it means you have to do this work. You like it or not. Okay? So when this option is given to you and it's a compulsion, what we use? Whether or. So what's the answer? Whether or. Okay, so these are the answers of the 8 questions. I haven't written properly because I am not using pen, right, finger to write. So this is the way it's going to be. But try to understand this correlative conjunctions properly. If you still have a doubt, you can ask in the comment section, so that before with the next class, when I'll take the next type, that is compound conjunctions. If you have a doubt, I'll solve it again for you. Okay, see you soon in the next class.